Okay guys, shop tour time. It's beautiful, it's sunny, it's warm. That's why we moved to Arizona. So we're gonna start at the front door here. And this is not my style of building. It's just what was available out here. We are currently building another building. So we'll be moving again down the road eventually. So let's take a walk in the showroom here. So we got Mark Rich's trike, one of our favorites, one of the first actually. I think he bought our first full kit way back. So he's always been a supporter, he's an awesome friend. But if you guys haven't followed him, give him a follow on Instagram. But anyway guys, here's the showroom, it's coming together. Getting there. We are getting there. It's a little messy over here. So we're gonna have some bikes on display. We had to put in a double door just so we could fit them into the showroom. You get that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna walk around. So this is where the boss sits. She's always on the phone. All right, so we're going down the hallway. Got the ladies' room there. That's where Drew likes to go. Men's room behind that table. So this is the vinyl room. So obviously still printing vinyl. Haven't stopped doing that. We're just doing it more for ourselves, for our builds, for our custom stuff. And if guys want to order graphics kits for bikes or quads, we can still do them. We're just getting to them when we have time. So anyway, you guys have probably seen this in the old video. So go through the vinyl room. Basically, you're into the shipping room. So this room kind of filled up pretty fast, but same as before. You guys have seen this in our other videos, all the inventory. So my wife comes in here and she grabs all the parts based on your orders. She comes and picks all the parts. So just to give you guys a rough idea, this is why we have a lead time. So this is just tray kits. I mean, there's I think like 40 or 50 orders there. It's been crazy busy. It's been since COVID started, we've just been wide open, to be honest with you. We were busy before that, but I don't know what's going on. It seems like every fab shop, every CNC shop, anything in the power sports, man, it's awesome right now. So everything is just absolutely wide open. So yeah, pretty basic in here. Just some shipping supplies. We got parts and kits that are shipping out. So as the powder coating and all that stuff's done, they come in here and they get wrapped up. So let's keep on walking. So this is the fabrication area and welding. Got our plasma table right here. RJ's welding area. Drew's always welding. He literally never stops. He's just trying to get the orders out as fast as possible. We are actually down to producing a full trike kit in about a day and a half. That's machining, welding, fabrication, and that's because of the CNC tube cutter. It really just sped everything up. Doing a little walk around video. You know, gotta get you on video once in a while. All right, this room, crazy tight in here. Downdraft table, we got some sandblasters. We do all the powder coating and sandblasting and prep in-house. So, had to put in a little exhaust system to get everything vented outside. Sorry if it's loud. I have to actually keep this door open for the air compressor because it gets so hot in there. This is the powder coat room. So we got a little spray booth set up, nothing too crazy. Same oven as before. RJ took over all the powder coating for me, so he's actually getting the head stays welded up for the Sierra 500 projects. So parts get sandblasted, they get put on the shelf, and they're basically ready to go in the oven after he sprays them. So basically I had to split this room in half just so we can get everything set up. So we actually coating through that wall up. We got these guys now, because those big fancy glass doors in the last building, they were cool, but trying to walk with a part through them was not cool. Got some pallet racking. You guys can see more or less all the fixtures, all the pieces that are already pre-cut, ready to go. Tons of fixtures, different bikes. This is the Ventec. guys have seen videos of that, so check that out if you haven't seen it. We do have other videos of it cutting. Got Alex over here. Doing a little tour, little shop tour. We got the chip guard set up here. Drilling some C-pins for the 250R and 400EX seat brackets. We got the lathe over here. John's over here getting blocks prepped to go into the mill. These things are running wide open, getting all the hubs cut. What's up, John? Do a little shop tour. This guy is like a human calculator on a lathe. He can pretty much make anything. Those are the big wheel hubs. So that's the machining area. So over to the assembly area. Don't mind the shop truck, the old Kodiak. We had to do some mods to it, so this thing's just chilling in here right now until we get to it. Alright guys, so other end of the shop, customer bikes, parts get stored up on the pallet racking. So these two big wheels are going together next. You guys have seen videos of RM CR500 build. There's the Trizilla right there. We do have a couple awesome KTM builds coming up. Stay tuned for those. 302 stroke. We've got a couple 450s. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, guys, similar as before. Same toolboxes. Don't mind me moving the camera around. You guys have seen this ginormous toolbox. Thanks to Tom in Plattsburgh, New York, for selling me that. We miss him. Wish he was here. Him and I were pretty close. Same with Eric from Matco. So all those guys were awesome. Pretty sad. I guess I just really missed the tool guys more than anybody else. But hey, you get that in a small town. Anyway, guys, CR500 swap. We've got the 2021 CRF 450 Works Edition. This thing's gonna be a trike. That video is gonna drop here in the next few days. We're just gonna get going on it. Actually did lose Timmy. He decided to stay in New York, so everybody moved with us except him. I'm doing the assembly now as I have time, and RJ is helping me with that. So we're not really technically behind. The move just did put us behind a little bit, but in terms of the assembly time, we're still rocking and rolling, getting projects put together. So we got our mobile tool cart, couple workbenches, same as before. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, shop's rocking and rolling. We're crazy busy. We went from 4,300 square feet to about 7,000. So the next spot that we're purchasing some property, the next building, we're gonna try to get it up to about 10 total. If not, I mean 7 or 8 will work. It just depends how big the building ends up when we build it. We're looking at a couple options right now, but we did pretty much start the process on getting some property and putting up an actual permanent location. This is just leasing. We did own the last building that's being sold in New York, obviously selling my house and everything else, but you get that when you move. So sorry for the glare. Yeah, so I guess I can go into the little parts room here. Again, there's the ladies' room. That's where Drew likes to hide. Sorry, Drew, gotta do it. So this is kind of a messy little storage room. Just starting to fill it up as we go. Things like anti-fades and triple clamps. Yeah, so they put in like 3 doors in one spot. Just pretty much back to the showroom. There it is, guys. There it is. Anyway, guys, like I said, it's beautiful out. That's why I moved here. It's amazing just having sunshine and blue skies and warm weather every single day. So appreciate all the support. We wouldn't be here without you guys. We are wide open busy. We've got many new products coming out all the time. Stay tuned for some more crazy stuff. And again, guys, you got to follow this channel and subscribe. Once we hit 50,000 subscribers, we're just about to 35. We're going to give away a trike kit or a big wheel kit, customer's choice. I guess just stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming up. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.